Somewhere in the deepest darkness of the universe, there are places where the laws of reality begin to unravel. Regions so extreme that not even light, the fastest thing we know, can escape their grip. These are black holes, nature's most perfect traps. But what truly happens inside one? To answer that, we have to cross a boundary known as the event horizon, the point of no return. From the outside, a black hole looks almost simple. A dark sphere surrounded by a glowing ring of superheated gas. But that simplicity is an illusion. Because a black hole is not really an object. It's a distortion of space-time itself. Imagine space and time fused together like a fabric. Now imagine that fabric collapsing infinitely inward. At the center lies something we call a singularity. A point where density becomes infinite, where our equations break and our understanding of physics collapses. But before we reach that impossible point, something even stranger happens. Gravity does not pull evenly. Your feet will be pulled harder than your head. This effect is called spaghettification. You would be stretched into a thin strand of atoms and then torn apart completely. But here is the paradox. To an outside observer, you never actually cross the event horizon. You appear to slow down and freeze in time. Your light fades, shifting into red, then infrared, then radio waves until you vanish completely from view. But from your perspective, falling in feels completely different. You would not see yourself freeze at the edge. You would cross the event horizon without noticing anything special. No wall, no surface, no warning. Just the quiet certainty that every direction now leads deeper inside. Inside, space and time begin to exchange roles. Outside, you can choose your direction in space. Inside, moving toward the singularity becomes as inevitable as moving toward tomorrow. The singularity is no longer a place, it is your future. Every second that passes brings you closer. And nothing, not even light, can turn around. The escape velocity exceeds the speed of light itself, which means escape is not difficult. It is impossible. As you fall deeper, tidal forces intensify beyond imagination. At some point, even atoms cannot hold together. Nuclei themselves begin to distort. Matter is crushed beyond recognition until all known structure disappears. And yet, this is where our knowledge ends. General relativity predicts the singularity. Quantum mechanics refuses to accept it. The two greatest theories in physics collide here, and neither survives intact. Some physicists believe the singularity is not truly infinite. Instead, it may be a quantum breach, a doorway to another region of space-time, what we call a wormhole. But stability is the problem. Most calculations suggest it would collapse instantly. Others suggest information is never truly lost. Instead, it may be stored on the surface. A concept known as holographic principle, where the entire interior is encoded on the boundary. If true, reality is stranger than we imagined. Black holes also slowly evaporate through a process called Hawking radiation. Over unimaginable timescales, trillions upon trillions of years, until even the largest black holes fade away, leaving behind only radiation. So what truly lies inside? A crushing end, a bridge to elsewhere, or a boundary of encoded information? The honest answer is this: we don't yet know. Black holes are not just cosmic monsters. They are laboratories of extreme physics. They shape galaxies. They anchor the centers of most known galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Without them, stars would drift differently. Cosmic evolution would change. In studying black holes, we study the limits of existence, the age of time, the age of space, the age of knowledge itself. And perhaps one day we will understand what truly happens inside. Until then, the mystery remains silent, patient, waiting at the heart of the cosmos. A reminder that the universe is not built for comfort. It is built for extremes. And black holes are the ultimate extreme. A place where reality bends, breaks, and challenges us to look deeper into the dark.